Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ZoomInfo for accurate company and role targeting, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the ZoomInfo website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on the button to initiate the subscription process. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and company details. Create a strong password to secure your account. Review the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Check the box to agree to the terms, then submit your. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the ZoomInfo homepage. Log in using your email and newly created password. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the search feature to begin targeting companies and roles. Use the filters to define your search criteria, such as location, industry, and company size. Apply additional filters for specific job roles or functions within companies. Examine the search results thoroughly to find accurate matches. Use the Save feature to bookmark valuable companies or roles for future reference. Take advantage of the advanced features, like company insights or contact information. Explore the training resources available on ZoomInfo for in-depth guidance. Consider subscribing to additional features or packages if your needs evolve. Regularly check back to update your search criteria as your targeting requirements change. Stay engaged with new tools and updates ZoomInfo offers to enhance your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.